Video I will be discussing about how to calculate the inverse of the matrix using some matrix transformations. Let's see problems. First problem, determine the inverse of capital A equal to 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here A, it is of 4 by 4 order, right? So the procedure is place an identity matrix of order 4 by 4 right of the corresponding matrix A. So here the matrix will be 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. That is our matrix A, along with the identity matrix of order 4 by 4, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Next, the target is to make the left hand side, that is the matrix A, transforms this matrix as an identity matrix of order 4 by 4. So using the row transformations, we want to make this matrix A as an identity matrix of 4 by 4. Along with this transformations, these identity matrix will be changed. After that, making the left side matrix as an identity matrix, correspondingly we got a matrix in the right side. That matrix will be our A inverse. So do the transformations. Here we want to make this one and this one as 0. So write the transformations as R3 changes to R3 minus R1, R4 changes to R4 minus R1. So the matrix will be like this. The same changes will be carried out in this identity matrix. Next, our A. Here first element is 1. All the elements below that one is 0. Next, moving to the second row. Here the diagonal element is 1. Then we want to make this one and this one as 0. So the transformations is R3 changes to R3 minus R2. R4 changes to R4 minus R2. So this is the matrix. Next, here moving to the third row, here 0 0 minus 2 1, and in the fourth row 0 0 minus 1 0. Here we can interchange these two rows. So the element in the third diagonal will be minus 1. So R3 changes to R4. This is our matrix. Next, here this is the element minus 1. We want to make it as 1 because the diagonal element of an identity matrix is 1. So the transformation is R3 changes to minus 1 into R3. So matrix will be like this. And next, we want to make this minus 2 and above the elements 1 1 as 0. So write the transformations for that. These are the transformations. Then the matrix will be like this. Here the left side matrix is now an identity matrix of order 4 by 4, isn't it? So corresponding changes are done in the right side also. Then we got a new matrix. So this will be our A inverse. Therefore the inverse of matrix A is 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 2. So this is the procedure to calculate the inverse of the matrix using row transformations. Second problem, determine the inverse of 1 0 2 0 1 1 0 0 1 2 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is also a 4 by 4 matrix. So the first step is place an identity matrix to the right side of the given matrix and do the transformations. These are the transformations. Then the matrix will be like this. Next, moving to a second diagonal element, that is 1. Make this 2 and this 1 as 0. These are the transformations. This is the matrix. Next, moving to the third row, it is the diagonal element is 2. Interchange R3 and R4. Then like this. Then make these elements as zeros. So this will be the transformations. This is our matrix. Here in the last diagonal element, that is minus 1. Make it as 1. Transformation is R4 changes to minus 1 into R4. Then our matrix will be like this. Next, we want to make this 3 elements as zeros. So the transformation is like this. The matrix is like this. Here the left side matrix is an identity matrix and the right side matrix will be our A inverse. So here the inverse of the matrix is minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2. So this is the answer.